In 2025, customer expectations are higher than ever, and businesses that want to grow need a reliable, flexible CRM system to meet those expectations. Lime CRM offers a smart, user-friendly solution tailored to help companies manage customer relationships, streamline sales, and deliver consistent service, all from one centralized platform. Designed with European and mid-sized businesses in mind, Lime CRM stands out for its flexibility. It's especially useful in industries like B2B services, real estate, manufacturing, finance, and utilities, where personalized communication and organized customer data are key to long-term success. In this video, we'll walk you through the key features of Lime CRM, explain how they benefit your sales and service teams, and help you understand why this CRM is a standout choice for managing customer engagement in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the customizable workflows and dashboards. Lime CRM's modular design allows you to fully customize how leads, customers, and tasks are tracked and managed. You can adapt pipelines to match your specific sales stages, configure task types for support cases, and create custom data fields that reflect your business process. Dashboards can be tailored per user or department for clear visibility into KPIs, activity, and revenue tracking. Your CRM works the way your team already does, reducing friction and ensuring that every department, from sales to service, gets what they need to stay productive and aligned. Another key feature is the centralized customer profiles. Lime CRM consolidates all customer information, contact details, communication history, documents, support cases, and deal pipelines into a single view. You can easily attach contracts, notes, and meeting records to each customer profile and assign team members for collaboration. This 360-degree view ensures that everyone on your team has up-to-date information, reduces duplicate work, and improves the overall customer experience with more personalized service and faster issue resolution. Another key feature is the lead and sales opportunity management. Lime CRM includes robust tools to help sales teams capture, qualify, and convert leads. You can track opportunities across multiple stages, assign them to team members, and set automated follow-up reminders. Sales forecasts and pipeline metrics help you plan ahead and identify bottlenecks early. It improves sales efficiency by making it easier to prioritize high value leads, manage follow ups, and move deals through the funnel faster, all while giving managers a real time view of performance. Another key feature is the support ticket and case handling. Beyond sales, Lime CRM excels in service operations. Support teams can manage incoming cases, assign them based on priority or product line, and track resolution steps. Templates, status updates, and customer history are available to speed up responses and ensure consistency. You deliver better support with faster response times, better transparency, and full accountability across the team, ultimately increasing customer retention and loyalty. Another key feature is the integrations and productivity tools. Lime CRM integrates smoothly with Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Outlook, and other business tools. Emails, meetings, and notes can be automatically logged, and CRM tasks can sync with your calendar. The platform also connects with external tools like ERP systems, marketing automation platforms, and Power BI. This makes Lime CRM more than just a database. It becomes part of your day-to-day workflow. So why is Lime CRM a great choice? What makes Lime CRM a standout solution is its combination of simplicity, customization, and focus on real business needs. Unlike bloated enterprise CRMs that require heavy IT support or expensive consultants, Lime CRM can be configured by your internal team and scaled as your company grows. Its modular structure ensures you only pay for the features you use, making it a cost-effective option even for smaller businesses. Lime also provides strong onboarding support, dedicated customer success managers, and local expertise, particularly valuable for European companies navigating complex privacy or data rules. So, if you're looking for a CRM that balances power with usability, Lime CRM is a smart choice that puts flexibility and results first. So basically, customer management isn't just about storing contact info. It's about building relationships, tracking progress, and delivering meaningful interactions at every stage. Lime CRM makes all of that easier, helping your team stay organized, connected, and focused on what matters most, your customers. With its user-friendly interface, customizable workflows, and strong integration options, Lime CRM is more than just a tool. It's a long-term partner for scaling your customer success. Whether you're managing leads, tracking sales, or resolving support cases, Lime CRM gives you the clarity and structure to do it better and faster. So start using Lime CRM today and see how much smoother your operations can be when your entire customer journey is in one connected system. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.